Hi Jurassic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Squishmallow pig, so let's get started. To draw this cute pig, we're going to first start by drawing the top of its head. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve, and I'm aiming to draw the usual dumpling shape that I give to all my Jurassic Cute characters. So I'm going to start to bring this down on both sides. So then from there, I'm just going to start to elongate and bring it down even more. So it's just a longer version of my usual dumpling shape. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. And towards the bottom, just connect it with a slight curve. There, that's the basic shape you're aiming to draw. Then from there, let's come to the side right here. We're going to draw the floppy pig ears. So I'm going to come right here and just go curve and up. Round it off a little bit towards the tip and bring it back in. This is a basic shape you're aiming to draw. And then let's come in here, draw the fold part. So I'm just going to come in, draw that curve inside. So same thing over here, and I'm just going to drag a point across so it's just approximate where the other ear is going to sit. So it doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. It's actually cuter if it's not exactly the same because they're floppy ears. So I'm just going to bring this in, and then once again draw the fold. There, so we have our pig ears in, and I'm going to fix my curve right here. It will be a little bit rounder. Okay, there. Now to bring this pig to life, let's come to the center, kind of in this area, towards the center top, and I'm going to draw an oval right here, a small little oval. And I'm going to round it off and connect it. So for the nostrils, I'm not going to use a Sharpie because I don't want it to be black. It's going to be too dark. I'm just going to color it in. And so then, but if you're using a pencil, just draw two small ovals. Then from there, I'm going to come to the side about right here and just draw a circle for the eyes. Nice size circle on both sides, so about right here. There. So then let's make them Jurassic Cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. There. And then let's come above the eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And I know it looks really weird right now without the nostrils, but you can put that in when we color it. So then let's come to the bottom right here. I'm just going to draw a big oval for the belly area. So I'll start, say, about right here. Just going to give myself 2 points so I know where to go back to. And I'm just going to go up. And so this is my center. It'll be my highest point about right there. And then I'm going to start to bring it down. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a heart right here to make it my Jurassic Cute pig from Squishmallows. So now the drawing is basically done. Let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love this cute Squishmallow pig and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.